Guangdong Yiren Machinery Limited Company, in 2007, has been focusing on food equipment research, production, sales, service, in order to better guarantee the machine quality and faster delivery. Yiren Machinery has introduced world-class high-power laser cutting machine, German CNC bending machine, grooving machine, CNC machine tools and other equipment to escort Yiren Machinery. In 2021, in order to the needs of enterprise development, we purchased our own factory in Zhaoqing, Guangdong, and established the company name, Guangdong Yiren Technology Limited Company, with a plant area of 13,000 square meters, to provide strong support for the high-quality development of Yiren Machinery. Yiren Machinery, though more than 10 years of honing and precipitation, continue to absorb and introduce high-tech, has many excellent professional technical personnel and professional R&D management team. Yiren Machinery has multi-term national patents, vigorously promote product upgrading and technological innovation, so that our machine have been in a leading position in the industry. The main products of the company are pocket bread production line, semi-cut toast production line, triangle sandwich production line, spreader floss machine, high-speed bread slicer, toast stripper, bread cutting and filling machine, cake bread topping machine, bread injection machine, triangle cutting machine, cookie sandwich machine, toast cake bagger packaging machine, automatic bagging and sealing packaging machine, etc. Yiren Machinery provides effective solutions to the pain points and difficulties encountered by customers in the process of use. Quality control system to ensure the reliability and precision of each machine. Only for each equipment can maximize the value for customers. Yiren Machinery sales and service outlets all over the country. The equipment is also exported to South America, the Middle East and Southeast Asia and other countries.